Good morning, students. Today we'll start kingdom fungi. The fungi constitute a unique kingdom of heterotrophic organisms. They show a great diversity in morphology and habitat. Most fungi are heterotrophic and absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrates and hence are called saprophytes. Those that depend on living plants and animals are called parasites. They can also live as a symbionts in association with the algae as lichens and with roots of higher plants as mycorrhiza. Reproduction in fungi can take place by vegetative means, that is fragmentation, fission and budding. Asexual reproduction is by a spore called conidia or spongiospores or zoospores, and sexual reproduction is by oospores, ascospores and basidiospores. See the different types of fungi: phycomycetes, basidiomycetes, deuteromycetes, ascomycetes. Phycomycetes. Members of phycomycetes are found in aquatic habitats and on decaying wood in moist and damp places or as obligate parasite on plants. The mycelium is aseptate and cynocytic. Asexual reproduction takes place by zoospores, that is motile, or by aplanospores, that is non-motile. Some common examples are Mucor, Rhizopus, that is a bread mold, and Albugo, the parasitic fungi on mustard. Ascomycetes, commonly known as sac fungi. The ascomycetes are mostly multicellular, for example, penicillium, rarely, or unicellular, that is yeast, Saccharomyces. They are saprophytic decomposers and parasitic or coprophilous, growing on dung. Mycelium is branched and septate. Basidiomycetes, commonly known forms of the basidiomycetes are mushroom, bracket fungi or puffballs. They grow in soil, on logs and tree stumps and living plants' bodies as parasites. Rusts and smuts, the examples of basidiomycetes, that are the diseases. The mycelium is branched and septate. Some common members are agaricus, that is mushroom, astilago, smut, and puccinia, that is a rust fungus. Deuteromycetes, commonly known as imperfect fungi because only the asexual or vegetative phases of these fungi are known. When the sexual forms of these fungi were discovered, they were moved into classes they rightly belong to. Some members are saprophytes or parasites, while a large number of them are decomposers of litter and help in mineral recycling. Some examples are Alternaria, Coletotrichum and Trichoderma. Trichoderma causes skin diseases in human. Lichens. Lichens are symbiotic association, that is mutually useful association between algae and fungi. The algal component is known as phycobiont and fungal component is known as mycobiont, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic respectively. Algae prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter and absorb minerals, nutrients and water for its partner. So close is their association that if one saw a lichen in nature, one would never imagine that they had two different organisms within them. Lichens are very good pollution indicator. They do not grow in polluted areas. See the patches, green patches on the tree trunk or on the rock. Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae includes all eukaryotic chlorophyll containing organisms commonly called plant. A few members are partially heterotrophic such as insectivorous plants or parasites. The plant cells have an eukaryotic structure with prominent chloroplast and cell wall mainly made up of cellulose. Plantae includes algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Kingdom Animalia. This kingdom is characterized by heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms that are multicellular and their cell lacks cell wall. They directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. They digest the food in internal cavity and store food reserve as glycogen or fat. Most of them are capable of locomotion. Virus and viroids. In the five kingdom classification, Whitaker, there is no mention in some cellular organisms like viruses and viroids. The viruses are non-cellular organisms that are characterized by having an inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Once they infect a cell, they take over the machinery of the host cell to replicate themselves, killing the host. The name virus, that means venom or poisonous fluid, was given by Pasteur. D.J. Ivanovsky in the year 1892. Viruses contain genetic material that could be either RNA or DNA. No virus contains both RNA and DNA. A virus is a nucleoprotein and genetic material infectious. Viruses cause diseases like mumps, smallpox, herpes, and influenza. AIDS in human is also caused by virus. In plants, the symptoms can be mosaic formation, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing and vein clearing, dwarfing and stunted growth. This is the picture of tobacco mosaic virus. That is a plant virus where RNA is the genetic material and that is covered by protein, that is capsid. Viroids. In the year 1971, Theo Diner discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses and caused potato spindle tuber disease. It was found to be a free RNA. It lacks the protein coat that found in viruses. Hence, the name viroids. The RNA of the viroids was of low molecular weight. This is the structure of bacteriophage. Two parts are there, head and tail, and DNA is present within the head. Collar, sheath, tail fibers, and base plates. Other parts are there of bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is a virus which feed on bacteria, kills bacteria. That's all.